Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can insert a link in your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our presentation, and after opening the presentation, we have to click on this. As you can see, as the insert link option, the shortcut key of this is Control K. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you have some option like next slide and first slide. You can also choose these options. If you want to paste a link, you can also paste that. For example, I'm going to click on the next slide. As you can see, now the next slide link is added. If you want to add the link here, you can also do it. So I'm going to click on this, and now the first slide. So let's click on this. As you can see, now the first slide, and now let's play this. And after clicking on this, I'm going to click on this, and you will be on the first slide. So as you can see, the link works like this. If you want to insert your customized link, you can also do that, but simply you have to paste your link, and that will work like this. So in this way, you can add the link in your Google Slides presentation. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.